If you find yourself traveling alone, not by choice, not by desire, but because the winds of life swept everyone else from your path, then lean in and listen. This solitude you feel, this isn't emptiness. It is not a void, it is a sacred space. Space that life, in its brutal wisdom, carved out for you. Space to grow in ways that crowded rooms could never allow. Walking alone is never a sign of weakness. It is the quiet, undeniable proof that you are outgrowing. You are becoming stronger than the versions of yourself that depended on others. You are becoming stronger than everyone who assumed you'd break without them. Sometimes, the universe must silence everything around you, so you can finally hear the one voice that matters most, your own. This journey is your invitation to meet yourself, without the noise of their opinions, without the weight of their expectations, without the distraction of counterfeit love. You look around and see an empty road. You think, this is loneliness, but you are wrong. This is not an ending. This is the workshop. You are not abandoned. You are being rebuilt piece by piece, stronger peace, truer peace. The road is quiet for a reason. That silence is not punishment, it is medicine. Your soul is in a deep state of healing. The silence is stripping away all that you were told to be, to reveal who you were. And it is preparing you for a destiny so much bigger than the one you once imagined. Yes, people leave, plans shatter, hearts fracture, dreams dissolve. But the journey, your journey, does not pause for their exit. It transforms because of it. So understand this. Right now, as you walk this path with only your shadow for company, your mind is expanding, learning new languages of resilience. Your vision is clearing, seeing paths where others only see walls. Your heart, though scarred, is being forged into something unbreakable. It is learning to beat for itself. There will come a day, a sun-filled, ordinary moment, when someone will look at you, truly see you, and ask, how are you so strong, so at peace? And you won't answer with words. A quiet smile will touch your lips as you remember. You'll remember the miles walked alone in the pitch of night, the tears that fell with no hand to catch them, the fears you faced with no voice but your own to whisper, keep going. You'll remember the sacred trinity that carried you, the road and the stubborn, whispering promise in your chest. I will not surrender. I will not disappear. I will become. So if you are traveling alone today, walk proudly. Your steps are carving a map for future survivors. Walk silently. Let your growth be your only announcement. Walk powerfully. You are not a victim of this path. You are its architect. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are in the process of becoming, and what you are becoming is exactly who you need to be. Never forget, the mightiest mountains are formed in continental silence. The tallest oaks grow from solitude seeds, and the strongest souls are always, always born in the quiet. They are forged in the alone. Now, keep walking.